Burrito!
Hey!
Burrito! Burritos are so good for you, and you should try them one day. Burrito, burrito, there's no day better than burrito.
Elizabeth's gonna start putting some on there. Then we're gonna go outside.
Gonna crack soon! Look, it's gonna burst on me.
Oh my god.
Don't point that at me.
I think that's the direction I looked at. I don't think that's the camera.
Oh no.
What?
Oh my god.
Oh, it hit me.
You gotta clean the window up. That made the biggest noise ever.
I'll shoot there's like a bomb.
And then there's this stuff.
All over the deck.
There's like splats all over my phone.
Yeah, it isn't that bad. I can't even see it, I can just feel it. There's a lot of... Yeah, that's leftover watermelon I'm gonna have for supper. Go in the parking lot to get that wood. The fire gets all... Oh, I don't know. And it gets white stuff all over. Oh, some of the leaves get all snowy on my supper, damn it. Guess we'll just have to have a can of something. Oh, yeah, nice hot fire going. I'm gonna put one in there eventually. So I got this like, you know, so it's one of those like outdoor camp showers. And that'd be great to like wash off my arms and stuff, obviously. This down here, do not use container for portable water. And then on the box it says, do not use as a container for drinking water. Do not use as a container for drinking water. I think we've got it now. It's heavy fast, it's just the best spot I could find for now. And this thing likes to leak good. Which I'm not too shocked because that's the stopper for Pete's sakes. Now that's how one camps. The can right on the fire. And still a nice little fire going. Who knew playing with your food would be so much fun, huh? There we go. What a nice little fire, huh? Wait for it to die down and then I'm gonna go to bed. Peace out, happiness, and I'll see you tomorrow. Alright.